Hey guys, welcome back to William's Big Talk. And before the video starts, I just want to say make sure to like and subscribe. And watch my last video where I tried Prime. That was pretty good. Now, I went to Epcot. Okay, I went to Epcot at Disney World, and I got some snacks. We're going to start out with Lay's chips from Japan. Japan Pavilion in Epcot. These are Lay's chips, and the flavor is Mexican chicken tomato flavor. Okay, let's open them up. Ooh, that smells good. That smells good. So I'm expecting a nice chickeny flavor with maybe a tomato sauce. Not too bad. It's okay. I'd probably rate it a 6.4 out of 10. It's not super good. It basically just tastes like tomato sauce. I'm not talking about ketchup. I'm talking about like pizza sauce. Now, I'm pretty sure this is from Norway. I think. This is, I don't know how to pronounce this. Dame? I'm going to call it Dame. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correct, but that's what it looks like, so that's what I'm going to call it. It is a crunchy caramel candy bar. It's got 2 bars per pack. Oh, I thought it had split. It's because there's 2 bars in here. Okay. It was $4.99. And this one was the I don't know, because it's not on there. I don't know how much it was, but all right. Let's try Dame. Here's a Dame bar. It's so the crunchy caramel bar. Ooh, it is crunchy. By the snap, it reminds me of a Heath bar. It's a lot like a Heath chocolate candy bar. But it doesn't have the nuts. And I actually kind of like it better than a Heath bar. And I like Heath bars pretty good. That's good. Yep. Pretty good. Move on to the next thing, so I can get this video done. Now, our last thing is from another thing from Japan Pavilion. And this is a Taiwan dessert, mochi bubble milk tea. I think it's like little mochi balls. Okay, let's open it up. So it's like a, I guess you'd say a boba tea with its mochi balls. So, all right, let's see what's in here. Oh, that looks pretty fancy. Okay, let's open it up. If I can get it open. Okay, I don't seem to have the ability to open it, and I don't have scissors with me today, so I will be right back. Alright, and I'm back. I'm going to cut this. I've got scissors now, so I can try to cut it. Okay. I don't know how you cut this thing. Okay, I think I got it there. Yes, I got it. Okay. Alright, I'm getting it open. Oh, that smells weird. It smells like coffee. I'm not sure I'm going to like it. Okay. It's like, it looks like silk. Okay. Let's try to get one of these things out of here. Okay, there it is. I'm going to bite into it. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Mm-mm. I'm sorry. That is not good. No. Mm-mm. Nope, nope, nope. Mm-mm. Nope. Nope, not. Nope, 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 and more nope. Okay, now I'm going to end the video here because that is disgusting. So, bye. See you later. Subscribe.